kill. I will kill. Here's some more toys. I will kill.
No, stop saying that. What will you say to your ate?
Thank you.
Yakap ate. Yakap ate.
Yakap.
Kiss ate. Hindi mo kiss ate, love ka nga ate.
Ano, ginawa ko po yung letter during class.
Tina, anong sabi dito ni ate?
I love you.
Are you happy with your gift? Galing ah.